Greetings, everyone. I'm reminded of a saying that is, if you keep on doing what you have always done, you'll keep on getting what you've always got. In today's competitive world, personal and professional excellence is something which is required for every individual. When we talk about professional excellence, everyone wants to be a thorough professional, but we lose the important facet, that is, we need to be thorough personally also. And for becoming a thorough professional and as well as thorough individual, we need to hone certain skill sets. Like we have to have proactive attitude in our lives, and we need to be having a morale. Morale means inner motivation.